So what do we have here? This is a fondant cake 6 by 11 chocolate moist cake with chocolate ganache. So this is based doon sa Sleeping Beauty. So ito yung cake na makikita mo doon sa one part ng video. It's a cartoon Sleeping Beauty. So ito yung cake. Gravity defying cake. So yung pagkakastack natin is hindi even kasi ganito talaga to. So this is all fondant. Yeah, this is one of the hardest cake that I made so far. Dahil yung balancing at saka yung cutting ng cake natin ginawa. Dapat precise kasi pag nagkamali tayo ng konti, baka bumagsak. Then syempre meron dito mga doubts. Yan. So I hope that you like